Hello everyone. Today I will introduce you to the latest portable charger model, the WK-163 20,000 mAh LED screen integrated power bank. This is a portable charger model that is relatively small in size, making it easy to carry around to many places, supporting energy supply for phones when there is no power outlet, and also integrating an LED screen that displays battery capacity, which is extremely convenient. This product has been trusted by a large number of customers and has sold more than 117,000 units on the e-commerce platform. And today, let's explore this special portable charger model together. First, looking at the product design, it is very compact and fits the hand with dimensions of 140mm in length, 67.5mm in width, 15.5mm in thickness, and only weighs 235 g. You can carry it with you without worrying about any inconvenience. In addition, the charger is integrated with one LED screen that displays battery capacity, which is extremely convenient for you to easily monitor the energy in the battery. The charger shell is made of high-quality ABS plus PC material, giving the product a shiny and eye-catching appearance. This material has good heat resistance and good load-bearing capacity, so this 10,000 mAh portable charger model has a fairly high durability. Next, the WK-163 20,000 mAh LED screen integrated power bank is equipped with two USB ports that support charging two mobile devices simultaneously with DC 5V/2.0A output. With two USB ports, you can instantly charge your phone, tablet, or share one charging port with those around you. In addition, there are two DC 5V/2.0A input ports that allow users to easily choose the appropriate input port for the available cable. This is an extremely convenient design that users can see on this portable charger. The product has an output power of up to 22.5 W, supporting fast charging for most mobile devices as well as other fast charging compatible devices, helping you be more proactive in charging your phone. In addition, the product has a capacity of 20,000 mAh, which can fully charge your device 2 to 3 times. It takes about 5 hours to fully charge the product. The WK-163 20,000 mAh LED screen integrated power bank is also equipped with an intelligent processing chip when charging to ensure that it does not overheat, overcurrent, overvoltage, and prolongs the life of the device. The lithium polymer battery core makes charging better quality, smaller in size, and safer. It can be seen that the product is compatible with many phone models with large battery capacity, compact, lightweight, easy to put in your pocket, bag, backpack, and take it with you everywhere. And those are my personal reviews of the WK-163 20,000 mAh LED screen integrated power bank. If you find it helpful, please leave a like, a comment, and remember to subscribe to our channel to support us in future videos. See you later.